This live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Are you kidding me? I just wasted my time. How long have I been streaming for? I want my time back. Does it show how long I've been streaming for? I want that time back in my life. I was given a whole big monologue talking about the 2% rule. I was wondering why Joker Trades wasn't replying to me. There you go. Nah, the curse of a streamer. I was on mute, what Chip told me. I was... no problem. I don't feel like trading today. I'm going to be quiet. I'm going to sit on my hands and be quiet. You had the camera off yesterday. You forgot on the co-stream. That was funny. Okay, one of the things I was saying that has nothing to do with trading is I've been in deep conversations with ChatGPT, and the only way to hydrate myself is with water. I can't do it with coffee or cola, apparently, no matter how I twist it. So I got my water back, although I do have a coffee. Coffee in moderation. I hate drinking water. When you're not thirsty, water sucks. Reason not to take a trade. I'm not taking the trade. Do I have a reason not to take a trade? Yeah, we're bumping right into... we're bumping right into the previous day's low. So, perfect. I didn't take it. I didn't take it and I missed a loser. And I like that. I'm going to do... I won't say a review, but I'm going to do a little quick analysis. Like I said, we've traded above the Asia session highs. We traded below the Asia session lows. That's the 1-2. If there's the 1-2 punch, it comes with a 3, a 1-2-3. So I'm expecting us to get back again to the previous day's close, which is the Asian session highs. That's 19,145. News in 10 minutes. Okay, good. I have another reason not to take a trade. News in 10 minutes. Meantime, I'll turn on my strategies. Opening drive, I didn't even check. Opening drive should have been long at 18,991 on Sim 102. Let's change it to Sim 102, and I can do it manually because I'm getting the same price basically. A little bit worse. And given that I'm entering it manually and I didn't get filled, I'm going to put it right on the close of where I should enter, and if it so happens to fill me, well, that's an exact entry of what Opening Drive Trader would have done. So hopefully it'll get filled. In the meantime, sit back, relax, sip my water, sip my coffee. Anybody have any suggestions on what I can flavor my water with that doesn't contain artificial sweeteners? The only thing I came up with was 75% water, 25% orange juice. Okay, I got a small trade here. I'll take it for a 2-lot if possible. There we go, better price. Insta stop. Very good. Oh shit, no, it didn't stop out yet. What the hell? What the hell? I just noticed. There's an error on my charts. Mother of God, he took me out for $100. And it was an error. That's unfair. Okay, click on the chart. Change this to a 1. I got my error back. Sim is up almost a G. Not bad. And I'm down 15 on my Bulenox. Not bad. I think I fixed my chart. I did. Wow. I was trading with an error on my charts. I don't even know how long that's been there. But however long it's been there, I've been getting First fair value gap formed. Okay, let's go look at that. I don't need to look at, let me see the 5 minutes just to look for any divergence. I'm going to call them divergences. Again, SMT sounds like a little pretentious to me. Sorry, sorry, ICTers out there. SMT. It's a divergence. It's not a BCG. Why are we renaming everything? There's a little divergence between the MES and the NQ. The NQ didn't take out the swing highs that formed at 8:15 it looks like, but ES did. The first fair value gap formed. I'm showing 2 fair value gaps and an inside bar. The fair value gap, there was a bullish one that got traded into, and then there was a bearish one that got traded into. We're back up to the previous day's low. That's place to fade. That's a fade trade for me. But you know what? No. Let me correct. It's not a fade trade. We have to be coming from above. Wow, my algo got absolutely slaughtered yesterday. 146 negative. That's 70 points. That's a lot. $36 points range on the 1 minute candles. We're trading above VWAP. Yeah, oh, sorry, I was talking about the fade off the previous day's low. No, you have to be coming from above, not from below. I mean, I'm sure. Joker's not reading his chat. Do you know about the first presented fair value gap PMI news in 5 minutes? Maybe he's not listening to me. Ah, there we go. I got his attention. Yeah, let's change the name of the news. Also, it's not going to be non-farm payrolls anymore. It's not going to be NFP. It's going to be XQC. I'll find a new word for it, just like SMTs for divergence. If you guys notice, I'm cynical today. I'm cynical, I'm angry, I'm frustrated. Not for professionals. And this stream is not for professionals. Exactly. If you're a professional, you should leave. This is not for professionals. NFP. Ah, that's what you meant. Oh, I have a trade again. When's the news? News in 10 minutes. 9:45 news. Okay. Okay. I sit on my hands. I need new music, man. I'm tired of this track. While I'm waiting for the news in 2 minutes, 3 minutes, let me change the track. Well, I told you I like volatility. Why is my mic redlining? I like volatility. I trade. I thrive in volatility. I need volatility because volatility gives me the continuation. Really? It was up $1,000 the opening drive play, and now it's going to have a losing day. Not a big losing day. I mean, you know, looks like 20 points. No biggie. No harm, no foul, right? But especially given that it was up almost $3,000 yesterday. I think up $2,000 on Monday. I don't really remember. I got to update the numbers and put it in the Discord. Thankfully, the Discord is still small. Guys, go join the Discord if you're not part of the Discord, and hit the subscribe and the like button. Come on, help out the channel. Help this channel grow. I have so many good projects, but they're all on the they're all sitting on the shelf. Wow. I hear Joker talking about someone, I'm not sure who, takes 1 trade a day. My system is on overdrive. It's taking close to 50 or 60 trades a day now. And let's define what a day is. 9:30 to 12. To 12? Yeah, till 12? Yeah, till 12. Sorry, I had to remind myself. Well, given that NQ kind of traded up to its previous day's low and ES didn't, I would have to say NQ is stronger than ES right now. And again, I can see it at 4:40 in the morning. NQ took out the Asian session highs and the ES didn't. So once again, NQ is showing a willingness or an attempt to show more strength than the ES. Some nice trades, though. Let me see where the 9:30 open was on my other screen. I think I'm going to try and find a way to import my Renko charts onto the stream, even though none of you guys use it. You know, it's... I know it's not the most... What word am I looking for? Hey, can you calm down there, little chart man, moving so damn fast? I gotta see the time. There, it's that one there. Well, I don't know what word. There is a word that I'm looking for, but the word that I'm looking for will convey the message that I understand the Renkos are not the most commonly used charting technique. Not too many people have systems developed around it, but it's statistically valid. And you know what? I think in my brain I was thinking that everybody is on this ICT bandwagon thinking it's the only valid way to trade the markets, which is absolutely ridiculous. I mean, if you go into the prop firms like S&B Capital, yeah, there's people using there's people using ICT, but there's also 10-figure traders, and if you don't know what a 10-figure trader is, that's making 10 million a year or more, and they're not even close to using ICT. So I'm not putting it down. It's a super valid technique, but it's only one of many. You know, if you got an itch, you can scratch it many ways. You can use a credit card. You can use your fingernails. You can use a fork. You can use a corner of a book. And I can think of 1,000 other ways, and they all work. They all achieve the same, or they all accomplish the same thing. If you confirm that you have edge with your setups and you're responsible enough to just take your setups and trade them effectively, you'll do well either way. The spread is 1/2 to 3/4 of a point, but the markets are pretty jumpy. It's going to be hard for me to get in. A short just triggered. It's going to be hard for me to get in without slippage. I'll try here a little 2-lot on a 50K account. In a few minutes, I'll try and figure out what size I should be trading. Let me get out. You see, oh, okay. Wow, look at that. Hit the bid. Price wasn't even near, and it filled me. Good enough. Okay, what's the proper size for... Let's do the same calculations we did. It's 2,500 of the trailing drawdown. Forgot that word. The trailing. 25%. 10% is 250. 250 plus 125, 500, 625. Okay. If I want 3 trades, I want 4 trades, 4 losers. 4 losers, 625 divided by 4 is 150, approximately. 150. So 150, I risk 15 points on average, you know, with a little bit of slippage, that's $10 a point. 5 lots. Okay, so I can do 5 lots. 5 lots, I should write that down. For the 50K. This is aggressive. That's aggressive. My risk plan on my stream that you see on the top corner, which I'm going to remove the account data. There's a risk plan there. That's what I call the conservative risk plan. And if I'm not mistaken, which I have it printed here, the conservative risk plan has me at a 2 lot on the 50K. 2 lot with a target for the day of 180. That's it. days, so that's like 15 days probably that I set it for to get to target, to get to profit target, 3 grand in 15 days. Okay. Anyways, 625. That's what did I say? 25%? Actually, you know what it should be? It should be 20%. And I'll tell you why, because Apex has that 30% rule for the drawdown. So, and you need a little bit of a buffer because you don't want to pass it by $1 or something. So you're not going to set it right at 30%. You know, you're gonna surpass it by a little bit by accident. So let's make it 20%. 20%. 20% is going to be my aggressive, not 25. I'm getting more and more conservative on my aggressive. Do you notice? 20% of 2,500. That's $500. Okay, it's a 4 lot. 500, 125 per trade, 4 trades. So 125, 4 trades, 125 RPT, risk per trade. 4 trades, $500, 20%, 50K. This is aggressive. Okay. Hey, I coded in a sound alert. I'm hoping that shows up. I'm hoping we get You know what? I was going to ask you about that. If you find your own voice when you listen to it, if it sounds weird. I had a hard time getting over it. Oh. So what did I say? I said 4 lots. 1, 2. That's good enough. There you go. First trade booked. 141. What do we got? Look at that. Opening drive didn't get stopped out. How phenomenal is that? It hung on by the skin of its teeth. Seriously, that's cool. That's cool. Okay. Oh shit. I have another entry. I'm going to take it. Let's see if we can get up there. 1, 2. That looks very good. Bing, bang, boom. Bulenox up 220. How easy, simple is that, huh? Okay. Okay, we're above VWAP. Another entry. Let's see what I get. Here's where I can get trapped. Here's where I can get trapped. Hopefully we'll get another entry. And I'm losing like 80 points here on following my system. Okay, get out, start over again. Lucky to be up 80 bucks. That was a major screw up. Not on purpose. I'll tell you what happened. I used a sell limit order to get out, and the market just went. Didn't give me a chance, and I let it go too far. Really, I should just let it go another 7 and then just bail. Pull the parachute cord. Pull the rip cord. Okay, just committed another mistake. Joker, if you can hear me, I just committed 2 mistakes back to back. Big mistakes. So I think I have to have that, what is the on-tilt chair that what's-his-face has? I gotta go sit in my on-tilt chair. David! I made 2 big mistakes. I'm up 307, but completely broke my rules. Terrible. That's complete breach. So, what's my punishment? Am I closing down for the day or just 15 minutes? Close up for the day? Okay, well, I got to stay on stream. So, can I trade on Sim? No trading, not even Sim. Yeah, no trading, not even Sim. I'm just... That's about the biggest punishment you can do for me. Not the not trading part. The part about having to sit here now and talk. Because I'm not a big talker. F that. No. There has to be consequences to your actions. If there's no consequences, you keep repeating them. Sorry, guys. That's just how the cookie crumbles. I made that expression up, by the way. Just now. That's more of my cynicism. Or, why don't I just shut down and go hang out in Joker's stream or in OFT's stream or in both of those streams? Let's go ask OFT. I'm going to ask them both. Move my mic. Fuck the mic. I don't need it in my face. You guys are going to hear me from a distance. There we go. I'm tired of the mic. Maybe a little closer. Okay, like that. Let's send out a survey. Let's ask OFT, and then let's go to Joker. Let's my two contacts. $9.59. That means 40 seconds to Wapner. $9.59 and 20 seconds. Hey, wait a minute. I have work to do. Why don't I just do that? Shouldn't I just use my day now more productively and go find out about that 2% rule in the CME agreement? I mean, why lose my time sticking around here, not doing anything? If I can get some productive stuff and maybe work on a video, get some rest. I'm getting the bags under my eyes. No, I'm not. The algo is in a trade. It hasn't had a close yet below the lower price channel. We've touched it, but we didn't close below it, so it's still long. There we go. 3, 4, 5, 6 point spread, 7 point spread in the NQ. I'll let you know when it settles down. I really hate fake trades. Why is it a fake trade? It's the system that I'm tracking. It's not a fake trade. I take it sometimes. If you're talking about the algo, it's not a fake trade. Tracking an algo in real time is not fake trading. It's intelligence gathering. I don't trust looking back because I find the charts aren't exact. If you close down the platform and then you open it up, or if you check a week later, the results aren't exact as if you tracked it in real time. Is it trading an account? Sim 102. Oh, you don't see it. Sorry. Let me flip it around. There we go. Right now, since it's in negative, so it's on Sim 102. Well, yeah, it's got... Oh! Maybe you meant, is it trading like an eval or... No, it's not trading an eval or a PA. Well, I'm not trading my PAs now till Monday. I want it to start today. I want to start copy trading also, but... it's a shame it didn't get stopped out because price is kind of leaning to the downside. Actually, it is leaning to the downside. It's not kind of leaning to the downside. We're below VWAP. Both both top step charts now. I have a higher time frame one. Both of them are bearish, and I'm sure this algo here is bearish too. 5 minute. She's gonna blow. Wow, we can potentially get hurt here with the opening drive now. You, me. We. I don't remember. Well, that's a lot. That's an exit. Thankfully, it's on sim. Goodbye. Don't need to look at it. Guys, I think I'm going. I don't want to be on stream today. Sorry. Taking the day off, guys. I'm just going to go hang out in other channels, OFT and Joker's channel. OFT is, in case you don't know him, who is he? He is Only Futures. Hold on. I don't know if it's trader, trading. Only Futures Trading. There we go. And I'm going to go hang out in their rooms, watch them trade. I don't want to trade. I don't want to look at the charts, really, at least on my screen. I don't want anything. I screwed up, and I was pissed even before I started the day. If you heard me, I was already cynical. Obviously, that's why I broke my rules so fast. Yeah, I'm going. So, sorry if I'm disappointing you guys. But the good news is there's 1,000 other streamers, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.